Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to yellow zinc plate at home. Begin by cleaning and degreasing parts thoroughly, then remove rust and oxide with light abrasion, rinse with deionized water, and etch briefly in a mild acid solution. Prepare a zinc plating bath with dissolved zinc salts and a brightener. Maintain stable temperature and agitation, rack parts correctly, and finish with a yellow chromate conversion for color and protection. Gather zinc sulfate or zinc chloride, a suitable brightener, deionized water, a low-voltage DC power supply, clean racks, and safety gear. Mix the bath according to the supplier directions, aiming for soluble zinc concentration and proper conductivity, and filter the solution to remove particulates. Keep spare anodes and neutralizing agents on hand, and set up near a ventilated sink area to handle rinse water and small spills safely while you work. After surface prep and activation, suspend parts on a clean rack and immerse them in the plating bath, keeping current density steady to avoid burning or rough deposits. Monitor bath temperature and agitation throughout plating to ensure even deposition, then remove parts, rinse thoroughly with deionized water, and apply the yellow chromate conversion for color and corrosion resistance. Allow parts to cure fully before handling or assembly, so the coating
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.